How's it going? I'm just going to go over Corsair and kind of let you guys know why I'm holding it through the pain. I'll start with the chart. It's a maximum weekly chart. You can see we IPO'd here at $17, and within the very first 6 to 8 months, we were trading north of $50 when EagleTree announced they were going to sell, which was the private equity firm that took us public, and it sent the stock price falling into a falling wedge pattern where we've consolidated for the whole year, and we're getting now to about the end of this pattern. A breakout to the upside of this would warrant large upside potential, possibly all the way up to all-time highs again. So I'm going to let you guys know what I think could push us there. For the last 4 quarters, it's pretty obvious with the decline in revenue, we've seen the stock price follow. 4 quarters of declining stock price paired with 4 quarters of declining revenue. It's a positive correlation that we should look to take advantage of. So that being said, we could assume that with revenue growth, we should see stock price growth. So I did a little bit of digging, trying to figure out what's giving us revenue growth, what gave us revenue growth from 1.7 bill to 2 billion in 2 years. And it was primarily acquisitions. Reading through 10Qs and reading through their investor presentations, they have made majority of money from acquiring other companies. That being said, let's look at it. 2019, they acquired Origin PC, and they acquired SEEEK Gaming. SEEEK Gaming does custom PlayStation and Xbox controllers. Origin PC does custom gaming PCs. In 2020, we acquired Epicam or Epoch Cam, which is basically a stick your phone connects to. You download some drivers on your computer, and it turns into it turns your phone into a webcam. So that's good. They also acquired Gamer Sensei in 2020, which is a coaching / go get training for gaming's website. Anybody can use it. Anybody can coach on it. And it's just bringing coaches and gamers together. In 2021, let me get to the page it was on. In 2021, they acquired Visuals by Impulse, which does custom streaming overlays for normally Twitch streamers, YouTube streamers, stuff of that nature. Once again, helping them to gear up to be a streaming beast. And then finally, this year, 2022, already 1 month in, we have had one acquisition of a Taiwan-based electronic designer and display specialist, iDisplay. I looked into this, and they do the keycaps and video cards for stream decks. And so it's just going to help to raise their margins and lower their costs. So that's kind of what we're looking at. We're looking for more acquisitions. We're looking for 1 quarter of revenue growth. And you should be looking at prices all the way from 30 up to all-time highs, giving us a gain of about 50 to, I think, about 200%. 50 to 150%. So it's one that we would love to take advantage of.